Hello everybody, and it's the July update video, or the highlight video. It's more an update video really. So not a lot happened in July, the same as last month, but there'll be a few changes to the channel. I think there won't be so many videos, I think I mentioned that last time round. Because I've got to concentrate on some other things at the moment, but we'll get as many videos up as possible. There'll probably be some more videos towards the end of the summer in the UK here. What I was planning on doing was selling some of the moulds that have been made on this channel along with other moulds, and in future videos when I make moulds I'll probably just make the mould and then sell the mould perhaps on eBay or Etsy or something like that. So there'll be more about mould making. I'll obviously be doing the casting to test out the moulds, but at present I haven't got enough space to put casts, so I thought I'd concentrate more on the mould making, and like I say, sell the moulds as I've done and sell some moulds that have already been made. So as quite a few of you know, there's been a few moulds made, and this one has a fiberglass mother mould, latex mould inside. We'll be selling like silicone moulds and latex moulds and whatever moulds. Maybe a few casts as well, but like I say, it'll just be like go through the process and making sort of maybe more interesting things, and maybe concentrate more on sculpting also, so I can make some original stuff. So if I make the moulds from my original things, obviously that'll bypass copyright problems, and whoever buys the mould, they can do whatever they want with it, type of thing. So yeah, so this fiberglass is actually white fiberglass here. This is actually featured in one of the videos, but so if you're wondering why it's white or if it's painted or something, but that is just like white polyester fiberglass resin with a matting. Of course, usually it's like, you know, that sort of translucent browny colour. But anyway, so there we are. Yeah, so like I said, I'll be putting some moulds up as and when they come, and that's that. I keep meaning to get round to doing the questions and answers videos, or frequently asked questions. There's a lot of questions to catch up on, and I hope to get around to doing those frequently asked questions videos shortly. So like I say, lots of things, other things on the go at the moment, so the channel's kind of slowed down a little bit, which I have mentioned before. I have some other YouTube channels on the go, including like a music channel, Moonrunner Music, which is going quite nicely. And I think I mentioned before that I split up the channel here because I was putting a lot of sort of diverse stuff on this channel, but I've sort of like niched it into just moulding and casting, which I've mentioned before. So there's an art channel, Moonblade Art and Illustration, which you can have a look at if you want, and there'll be some more videos coming up on that shortly. Funny enough, I just framed one of my first paintings, which I did 20 years ago, or painted 20 years ago, and I'm going to stick that on that channel. So that's the Space Baby Buddha, which was done 20 years ago, and like I said, that'll be on the Moonblade Art and Illustration channel. And I probably mentioned before that the model making is on another channel, and that's on Xeon Models. So I think that's it for now. Can't think of anything else. We've got strange weather here at the moment. One minute it's like really, really hot, and then the next it's kind of cool with heavy showers. And there we are. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Hey, do you want to go out? Hello, you. What are you doing? Right, it's sunny for 5 minutes, isn't it, Sue?